Hello nerds, today we're doing some 3D trig. A vertical mast is supported at the top of two cables from points A and B. The cable from point A is 26 meters with an angle of elevation of 48 degrees, and point B is 24 meters from the base of the mast. Firstly, find the height of the mast and the angle of the horizontal of the cable from point B. First thing you want to do is drop a diagram. So a diagram will look something like that. Then we need to find the height. So what we'll do is we'll look at the left triangle and label the height H and draw a diagram. Now we have the opposite and the hypotenuse and an angle of 48. So we're going to use sine theta, or sine 48 is h on 36. That means h is 36 times sine 48. And to 3 decimal places, it's going to give me 26.753 meters. Cool. Now part B is to find the angle of the horizontal, or the angle of elevation. So look at the right triangle, right, your angle of elevation is theta. And we know what h is. We figured that out in part A. So you're going to use tan theta is h on 24. Now your h is 26.753, tan meters both sides, and you get 48.10 degrees in 2 decimal places. Now you might think you're done. However, technically, that's wrong. And the reason why is that the height isn't 26.753. And so that rounded to 3 decimal places. The height exactly is 36 sine 48. And look what happens when you sub that in for h instead. So you're going to do tan inverse is 36 sine 48 over 24, and that's 48.11 degrees to 2 decimal places. Now technically, if you do either in an exam, you'll likely get the marks right. However, the more accurate and more precise answer is the second one. And there you go. If you have any questions, comment below. If you have suggestions for a future video, let me know, and follow along for more maths in your daily feed.